Good morning, students. Yesterday, after releasing the information bulletin by NTA, उसमें mainly we have two things to consider this year. One is filling of application form has two sets. One you can compulsory fill before the last date of application fill, and you have to pay the fee also, no problem. But second set you can fill after the completion of examination also. Second set you can fill after the completion of examination also. Okay. So you can go through that, which one is first phase, first set, and which one is second phase, second set. So you can go through that clearly. First phase mainly आपका personal details, your personal details, and mainly your study and just your reservation policy that they are asked. But in the second set, they are asking to upload the documents also for your reservation category especially, and for your domicile, everything. Okay. So that is the difference. So that you can go through that clearly this year. And second thing is here this time number of centers they are increased. So nearby centers you can choose now. So don't go with the last year type as it is. Okay, na? That is second. And you can choose the nearby centers also, which are near to you and easily you can reach that place. That is better. And third actually there is a doubt between fresh candidates who are completed 12th standard and those students who are repeating now. For them, for fresh candidates, they have to go with code 1. For repeater students, code 3 is applicable, code 3. Okay, na? So these also different for regular student and repeater student. And that fourth point is this year the examination pattern. Examination pattern is already we are known. It is already changed in JEE mains, and we are already informed that in NEET also it is going to be changed. It is already informed, not a new one actually. So they are mentioned to give additional choice questions because of some topics are deleted in the curriculum of boards. That is why to cope up for the students who are not completely study the syllabus, for them they are giving some additional 5 questions as a choice questions. But in JEE it is clear. In JEE what happened? They are giving 20 questions directly. Each student should answer that 20 in each subject. Physics में 20 है तो 20 answer करना है. Next they are giving 10 questions. But that is a computer based test. That is why one student answering the 10 questions, after answering the 5, automatically computer locks. That does not allow the 6th question to answer. Okay, once final submit the question, they can submit only 5 questions out of 10 in the final submission. So that is why it is not a problem for JEE main students. But most of the students now they are in the doubt that 15 questions in set B of NEET exam. Set A contains 35 questions. Every student should answer that 35. No choice in that. Every question should answer out of 35. Then 15 questions of physics set B. In that student should answer only 10 questions. Then generally most of the students think like this. Out of 15, हम 15 answer कर दिया तो if we are answered total 15 questions, then computer can select right 10 questions. So 99% this should not be a criteria by programming the computer. So, but I will try from yesterday onwards to contact the NTA, but still now I am not getting access. But I will try, still I will try to reach them, and I will ask the clarification also. As for my knowledge, the computer can take continuous 10 questions, means for example, you are answer 12 questions just by leaving 2 questions in between. Then it will take continuous 12 questions. For example, if you answer all 15 questions, then it will select only first 10 questions. Okay? Continuously answer 10 questions it may consider. So, it is not finalized, but that is not is yet to be informed by NTA, because it is a pen paper test. Student have an option to answer all 15 questions, not like JEE. JEE automatically that out of 10 questions, 5 questions answer करने के बाद कंप्यूटर उनको चांस नहीं देते फिर टिक करने के लिए. But in NTA it is a pen paper based test NEET exam. So that is why student can tick all 15 also. But then how computer can select to finalize the result? So in that my thinking is it will select first 10 questions which we are answered, which may be wrong or which may be right. So that is why, so you have to answer only those questions you are confident. Out of 15, which are 10 confident questions, that only you have to answer to get the good score generally. Okay. So next one more observation this year, if you go through the syllabus in information bulletin, 74th page onwards you have syllabus. First they mention chapter names and they mention core syllabus also. So each individual point के हिसाब से. So that is same as last year syllabus. Means no points deleted as compared with the last year syllabus, everything same. That is why they are giving additional questions. Okay. But generally we are teach all points which are related to NEET as last year syllabus. This year also we teach everything. So that is why out of 15 questions, definitely you can try, you can answer all 15 also. So at least 10 तो compulsory with confidence के साथ आप आंसर कर सकते हैं. ओके ना. सो नेक्स्ट एज पर pattern if you observe, so it is generally most of the institutes also done complete syllabus, like we are also done complete syllabus. Okay. But it will be some effect to the students who are not went for coaching, only they are prepared for board exam. When they appear the examination without any coaching, definitely for them these 5 questions will help. But for ourselves, these 5 questions will help to improve the score. That is the main important. तो हम improve कर सकते हैं score को, क्योंकि out of 15 we can able to answer 15 because we know all the questions. But out of 15, 10 sure short questions we have to answer. So compulsory marks gaining questions you have to answer. That is the important point. Then next, when we come to the topic wise preparation, so you have to prepare each and every topic well for the exam. In the last video also we are discussed, okay, no chapter is considered to be an important one. So you have to focus on all the chapters. If you feel any chapter difficulty, then you go with surface level only. If easy question comes from that chapter, you can ready to answer. Okay na? In that way you have to prepare. Okay. So then filling the application form is explained by Arif sir. Okay. With information bulletin, he will display the information bulletin also, and he will fill the application, how to fill the application form, how to fill the choices, everything will be explained by Arif sir. So you can go through that video also, so that so you don't have any problems while filling the application form. So my suggestion is, don't wait for last day to fill the application form. As early as possible, if you fill the application form, then your first choice of filling the center will be possible to get. Otherwise, if you fill the application in the last, so your choice of center will be changed. So instead of first priority, you will get second priority, or you will get third priority. So like that, better to fill as early as possible. But before final submission of application form, go through it 2 to 3 times, any mistake you made, so you can rectify it, then final submit. So filling is different, final submission is different. Before final submission, you can go through that information 2 to 3 times. Okay. So spelling mistakes avoid karo, everything you can made clear, then only you can go to final submit, and then you fill the final submit. After filling the final submit, you can go through payment mode. Dekho, payment is also an important criteria, because some students feel that payment is completed, but you are not getting final approval list. That means somewhere payment is struck. So you can contact the bank immediately whether payment is done or not. So you can clarify that. Don't sit ideally, your payment is completed. Confirmation slip, you will download it, then only your application process is finished. Okay. So ye points mein thoda focus karo. You will focus on all these points carefully and work out properly, okay, and don't give much time to fill the application form, okay. So if you go for filling the application form, it should be finished in 1 hour, 1.5 hours. For that, just you take a rough printout of application form and fill the columns on that, then start uploading. That is better way to minimize the time, okay. So with these points I will conclude, okay. So finally, this pattern, new pattern is not harmful to you, it is a useful one. So with that you can improve your result also. So best of luck for all the students, okay. So especially the students who are getting less score, so they should concentrate more now, there is a chance, okay, they should concentrate more. Don't waste the time. So improve yourself, okay. Thank you, students.